I have, how many questions do I got? Well, first question is, how much do you love popcorn?
Like 1,000%.
1,000%. Could you eat it every single day?
Probably not.
Not?
I'll get sick by eating junk food and get fat.
Well, yeah, that's true. But do you not ask me for...
Okay.
Yeah, you do. Okay, so we got popcorn here, because you're a popcorn monster, aren't you?
Yeah.
And so, what's the question? How do you eat normal? How do you
eat popcorn normal?
You're so goofy. And that, folks, is how Brayden...
It's not the end.
Oh, it's not the end? Okay, I'm sorry.
That's how we eat popcorn normal, people. Please subscribe.